So what I'm going to do this holiday special is this SD40T-2 Athearn blue box. And I've got a picture. Well, I started the series before I had stripped the paint and painted this. And we're going to go from train show find all the way to the end. And it's getting really long. This video is going to be one of the longest ones I've ever done. It might be 2 to 3 hours, but I wanted to give you a preview of what's going to happen. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to do this guy and all of his parts. He is going to be like our SD7 Giant. This will be Giant 1802. We are putting in to this frame this Mabuchi FF180PH, a super powerful 24 volt motor. We're going to be using an acrylic platform to mount our Digitrax DH126. We're going to put extra lighting in here and do that extra lighting without using the decoder. We're going to have some constant lighting that's just going to be on without using the decoder functions. There's only 2 functions on this decoder, and we're going to do that. We're going to mount this weight in here, or this motor in here. We're going to use some lead weights, and then we are probably, so far, I think, we're going to use these types of silicone hose drive shafts. This should be excellent. So far, everything is working awesome. We're really far along, and we are almost ready to... We're getting ready to finish this guy up. It started from a train show find, and I got it for $10 at a train show a long time ago. Totally non-functional, and I know why, and I'm going to show you why it did not work, even though it should have worked perfect. There were a bunch of flaws. There were a bunch of flaws in it that had to be repaired. It came with the latest motor, and it also came with the hexagonal drive shafts and stuff, and we're going to do away with all that, and we're going to do just digital momentum. And so far, it is turning out to be an excellent project. So the holiday special is coming up pretty quick, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's going to be long, 2, maybe 3 hours, but I'm going to do the whole thing start to finish in one video. And hope you like it. And I'll do an extra final reveal video after I completely finally reveal it. I'll do an extra one, a short one, for those of you that don't need to see the entire breakdown and rebuild.